Everyone, welcome back to today's table topic video. And as this part of exercise, let me get the random topic table topic. Okay, the table topic for today is uniform stifles individuality. Uniforms stifle individuality. Uniform stifles individuality. In my opinion, I feel that I do not agree with this statement that uniform stifles individuality. I feel that uniform is an essential thing. It's there is a beautiful thought behind why we have uniforms uh, within important institutions like schools, in army, or in various things. So when you have people from a different community, be it from the different section of society, and you have the same outfit, every person wears the same outfit. This signifies that even though we come from different, even though like we come from various parts of the society, we are one. Second, it serves a very important purpose while in school. You can come from a rich family or a poor family, and if they wear what they family can provide them, it can develop a thought, or maybe a rich person might not be able to gel with the poor person. And it's very important that we live beyond this. So that's why the uniform serves a very important purpose, and that's why I believe that the uniform doesn't stifle individuality. If you have individuality, that means you are a different person from most of the people. Even though you have the same uniform, you will shine. The individuality that shines from the uniform, that is not the true sense of individuality, right? The uniform that you wear, the clothes that you wear, that just signifies that what kind of background you come from. If you were born in a rich family, that is not something that you should be, uh, the point that I'm trying to make is everybody being born is a random event. You could have been born in a rich family, you could have been born in a poor family, and that doesn't mean that we should differentiate among it. So that's why I believe that uniform is very important in various section, particularly in school, where all people do not feel any hindrance uh, to be gel with each other. So that's what I think, and in my opinion, again, if you are a different, if you have something different, something unique, you will shine irrespective of the same uniform. Thank you. Over to you.